Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a secure exchange with Kraken easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a secure exchange using Kraken, start by creating an account on the Kraken website. Visit the official Kraken site and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields with your email address, username, and secure password. Ensure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. After you submit your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Kraken account. Next, navigate to the security settings in your account dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Download an authenticator app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Scan the QR code provided by Kraken in the two-factor authentication setup. Input the verification code generated by the authenticator app to complete the setup. After securing your account, link a bank account or payment method for deposits. Go to the funding section on your account dashboard to initiate linking. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account securely. Next, familiarize yourself with Kraken's trading interface. Explore the various options available for trading in markets. Make sure to understand the different types of orders, market, limit, and stop loss. Consider setting up alerts for price movements to stay informed. Before making your first trade, conduct thorough research on the assets you're interested in. Utilize Kraken's educational resources to learn more about trading strategies. When ready to trade, select your desired asset and input the trade parameters. Confirm your trade and monitor its progress in the portfolio section. Always keep your account secure by regularly updating your password. Maintain strong security practices and stay informed about potential threats. Consistently review your security settings to ensure your exchange remains secure. Lastly, remember to keep backups of essential information related to your exchange and login details in a safe place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.